welcome back to my channel. I apologize first off for my previous video, which a lot of people were kind of bothered that I kept looking at my watch, and I'll quickly show you why. Because I use that as my viewfinder for recording videos, just to make sure that I'm still, on the screen. It's a pretty bad habit, but I'm gonna try my best not to think that I have a viewfinder. I just wanted to quickly share with you my latest pickup. It's been 2 weeks now though, so I have opened it, and I also wasn't planning to do like an unboxing. This is more like a reveal because I have already used it, but I did put it back in the box just to get that unboxing feel. Anyway, let's just get started. Okay, so 2 weeks ago we were in Las Vegas. I picked up these goodies. Hold on, let me make sure. Okay, I picked up these goodies. 2 are from the Hermès boutique and 1 is from the Apple store. I just picked it up in Vegas because we were there, and it came in this bag, so I guess you guys can tell what it is. They give you a special bag. It says Apple Watch Hermès, and they also, I have a smaller one as well. Right, so this and this was from like the Apple store, and also last year's bag was this smaller one. Also it says Apple Watch Hermès. I also quickly brought out my old box. It's like wrapped in that plastic, but it is already open. Like you can see, it's ripped here, but I just put it back on. It's empty because I am wearing my watch. Just wanted to quickly compare that last year's Series 3 box, and then this one is this year's box. I honestly think I prefer this box. It just feels a little bit more, I don't know, I guess because I'm so used to the straps being in the long boxes that I'd like the watch to be in this square box. But the back does have a bit more information. So it has, all the serial numbers and like the Series 4 and whatnot on there. And then if you also purchase it at the boutique, you'll also get a special bow. If you look closely, it'll say, Apple Watch Hermès, which is really cute. I think that they didn't have to do that, but they did, Apple and Hermès. And if you guys didn't know, I am in love with, I love both, so I love Apple as well. I typically upgrade my phone every September, which is really bad. But this year I didn't, because I didn't find that I wanted a bigger phone, and if I just got the XS, it would be pretty similar to my current phone. Sorry, is it now XS? 10S. iPhone 10 and then iPhone 10S. Who knows? My husband did get the 10S Max, and playing with it, I kind of tended to upgrade. Anyway, I digress. Let's just move forward. So this was, again, the Series 3 box, last year's. I just like to keep it intact, and also I feel like this box is a lot heavier. I don't even know what's in here, because, oh okay, I think I kept the chargers and stuff intact because I had a charger already from my very first watch that wasn't Hermès. Anyway, so moving on, this is this year's box, the Series 4. It does also say Apple Watch Hermès, and like you guys know, I don't like to untie the bows, so bear with me while I slide it off. I know it takes so much more time, but I like to keep my bows intact as much as possible. This is the box, and at first I thought it was a top open box, but it isn't. It's actually a drawer box, and there are 2 slots in there technically. So the first one has a picture of a watch on it. I'm pretty sure you know what's in there. And then the second box is basically the strap box, but now they packed it separately, so that's why I have this box with my strap of choice. And then this was basically empty when I got it, but since this one I put back in the bag, I'm not gonna open this again. It is empty. The second strap I picked up from the Apple store because I had rewards, and it was either iTunes gift card or Apple gift card, and I usually pick Apple gift cards. And so I had a bunch of gift cards from Apple, and I just used that to pick up this strap, which is gonna be the burnt orange strap in Epsom leather. I know I peeked down, sorry. Just especially when I try to like show you guys something up close. But anyway, so the orange, this is the Hermès orange, or I don't know how to say in French, F-E-U, feu. But this is in Epsom leather, and I absolutely love this as well. Single chore. But yeah, now I'm just gonna show you what's in here. So this is the actual box for the watch. So let's do that. I'm trying to balance boxes down here. Anyway, so it looks like this when you open it. The watch is here obviously, and then this is the strap that comes with it. So the watch is covered with a little felt. There's the charger in the bottom, and of course the adapter. Let me show you guys. So now it does say designed by Apple in California and Hermès in Paris, which is so cute. It also says this last year, by the way, but you know, different shape. And of course the included orange strap comes in there. So basically you get two straps when you purchase an Hermès Apple Watch, because you get the orange sport band as well. I'm not gonna use this because I have my orange strap from my first watch, from my first Hermès watch from last year. Anyway, I chose not to upgrade my phone this year because, like I said, I didn't feel like the upgrades were all that. So I was like, okay, I'll just upgrade my watch because I use it every day and I love it. My very first watch, which was the very first watch that they released, recently died on me. Basically, the Apple just wouldn't go away. It wouldn't turn on. And then, of course, the week that I pick this up, it came back to life. But I gave that to my sister. And so now I have two watches again. So this is on the watch strap that I picked. The watch strap that I picked for it to come with it. Because you can't buy just the gizmo and the sport band itself. You have to purchase, you know, a leather strap. It comes with it, but I don't mind at all because I've been kind of collecting these anyway since I purchased my watch last year. And this year's version is really cute. So they're double tour version, which fits the smaller size watches. Last year it was 38 mm, this year it's 40 mm. It fits the smaller size face, I guess. Let me quickly put that on. So this year's is really cute because it's a tricolor. Last year they did bicolor, but it's like everything, all the straps were the same color except for like these loops where you stick the band, the extra band on. And that was the only part that was like the dual color, which wasn't all that cute, so I even skipped those. I wasn't very interested in them. And then, right. So this one is Bordeaux on top here. Rose Extreme, and then this is Rose Azalea. So beautiful on Rose Azalea. I still need to brush up on my French. So let me show you how that looks on. The double tour is a bit more complicated to wear, but totally worth it because it is so cute on. So let me show you guys that. So this is the watch up close. Hopefully it's focusing because now I took off my first watch and I don't know what the screen looks like. But it does have special Hermès faces, of course. Okay, sorry for the mini mess, but this is the current, I know okay. This is the strap that I picked, like I mentioned, Rose Extreme, Rose Azalea, and then Bordeaux on top. It is so cute, and I love it, absolutely love it. So let me show you some of the watch faces though. This is technically the face that matches my strap, called Rose. And you can see that's Rose Extreme and Bordeaux. I don't know how the color is appearing on my phone. I mean, I see it, but not doing it justice in person. But that half split, whatever, it moves with a minute hand. The other face that matches the other color strap, it's like gray, blue indigo, and orange, but I didn't really like those colors so much, so I didn't purchase it. I just got the rose. I wanted to just quickly share what I recently picked up. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.